Hi guys, so welcome to my first video. So basically ये मेरी पहली वीडियो रहने वाली है. So I'll give a quick introduction about myself. Hi, I am Pragun. मैं एक automation strategist हूँ. I have been learning automation for the last 6-7 months, and I think I have some experience in automations. So the purpose of this channel is कि मैं यहाँ पे जितना मैंने सब चीज़ें सीखी हैं उन सब चीज़ों को उन सब नॉलेज को आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगा. As well, I want to grow with you guys and be a better automation expert in general. So to start with, this is my first video. मेरी पहली वीडियो में what we'll discuss is basically how to create a proposal generator. So I have worked with multiple companies and multiple clients. So जितना मैंने लोगों के साथ काम किया है उतना मुझे समझ आया कि हर किसी को proposals की need रहती है and proposal generator is a high ROI automation that you guys can sell to multiple companies. So this is one automation that I have kept in mind कि इसको हम execute कर सकते हैं. So what we'll do is to start with we will start from the basics. बिल्कुल simple automation create करेंगे and आप इसको replicate कर पाएं in your business or for some clients and you can charge some money for it. So to start with, we'll be making the automation on Make. इस केस सिनारियो में Make का एग्जांपल लेने वाले हैं. So if you guys are new to Make, this is how Make looks. Make में this when you create a new scenario, this is how things pop out. ऐसे चीजें आ जाती हैं. This is the module starting module जहाँ से हम चीजें start करते हैं. This is basically a huge plus sign. आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे. So basically how we are planning this automation is that basically जब भी कोई सेल्स पर्सन कोई डील क्रैक करेगा ही और शी कैन फिल अप अ फॉर्म एंड एज सून एज एक फॉर्म पे रिस्पॉन्स आता है दैट फॉर्म रिस्पॉन्स गेट्स ट्रिगर्ड. हमारा एक प्रपोजल टेम्पलेट रहेगा उस टेम्पलेट में जितनी भी चीजें उसने फॉर्म में फिल करी हैं वो अपने आप ट्रांसफर हो जाएंगी एंड वंस दैट इज डन सेल्स पर्सन को सेम फॉर्म गेट्स मेल्ड and so that they can basically have a look, and once they have a look they can forward it to the client. So instead of the salesperson creating the whole proposal on his or her own self, यहाँ पे क्या होगा बेसिकली यहाँ पे दे कैन जस्ट फिल आउट अ फॉर्म एंड उनके पास अपने आप मेल पे और अपने आप मेल पे वो प्रपोजल आ जाएगा सो दैट वो इंस्टेंटली क्लाइंट को भेज पाए. वन स्टेप अहेड ऐसे रहेगा कि हम क्लाइंट को डायरेक्टली मेल कर पाएंगे बट मोर मेजरली कंपनीज में मैंने देखा है कि ऐसा यूजुअली नहीं होता है जस्ट बिकॉज उनको एक बार गो थ्रू खुद करना होता है if everything and every detail in the proposal is right because एक important document है. In our case we can do that because मैंने एक बहुत basic template लिया है for our proposal. So to start with, these are all the modules that are available. जितने भी आप major applications देखते हैं वो सारे Make पे available रहते हैं. To start with, we need a form. So we'll type in Google Form. Just a second, Google Forms. So this is the Google Forms module. In Google Forms, we have multiple things: search form, create form, get a form, update a form. What we need is watch responses. So use आपको यहाँ पे एक acid एक tag दिख रहा है. That means ये ऑटोमेशन एकदम से ट्रिगर हो जाएगी एज सून एज एक रिस्पॉन्स आता है. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू नोट. बाकी आपको हर जगह नहीं दिख रहा है क्योंकि आप वहाँ पे शेड्यूल करेंगे अपने ऑटोमेशन को कि हर 15 मिनट में सेट होगी, हर 30 मिनट में सेट होगी. यहाँ पे ऐसा होगा कि एज सून एज अ फॉर्म कम्स इन ये ऑटोमेशन अपने आप ट्रिगर हो जाएगी. सो हम इस मॉड्यूल को चूज करेंगे. आई चूज एन अकाउंट जहाँ से बेसिकली हम इस सारे डेटा को कैप्चर करेंगे. सो टू डू दैट आई हैव माई अकाउंट सेटअप. यहाँ पे आप जाके ऐड पे क्लिक कर सकते हैं और यहाँ पे जाके आप अपना गूगल अकाउंट है जो भी अकाउंट है उसको आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. देर आर मेनी वीडियोज ऑन यूट्यूब जहाँ पे आपको ये सिखाया जा सकता है. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. मैंने अपने अकाउंट से यहाँ पे लिंक किया हुआ है. सो आई क्विकली मेक अ फॉर्म इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. सो बेसिकली this is the template that I've created. So this will be a personalized proposal. So यहाँ पे you can see that there is a full name, there's a company name, hi full name, service type, proposal, project budget, goals, and then your company name. So what we'll do is basically we'll just go with full name. Full name is something which is a short answer. This is a required tag. Apart from full name, we need an email ID. जहाँ पे we make it sales rep email ID. तो यहाँ पे आके जो सेल्स पर्सन है वो अपनी ईमेल को डाल सकता है. This is also required because you have to mail them. So once all this is done, what else do we have? We have a company name. So company name. This is also a required tag. Let's make it short answer. So now we have service type. Service type. So यहाँ पे what we'll do is हम थोड़ा सा different करते हैं. We'll do checkbox for example. So instead of option 1, we'll do service 1, service 2. किसी क्लाइंट को एक से ज्यादा सर्विसेज भी चाहिए हो सकती हैं. सो इन दैट केस वी आर एडिंग मल्टीपल सर्विसेज. सर्विस 4. So yeah, let's do one thing. Let's make it multiple choice. Okay. Or probably a drop down. Anything works. Anything works. So this is service type. This is what we meant. कि एक कंपनी के मल्टीपल सर्विसेज होते हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड टैग. वंस दिस इज डन, what we can do is we can move on to the next question, and that next question is project budget. So this is very important. तो जब भी हम किसी कंपनी के साथ काम करते हैं, we finalize the budget, project budget, और कुछ है goals. That is it. Oh, I think this was getting error. So project budget B, we can go for a multiple choice. Multiple choice is not the right thing. Let's go for a drop down. Drop down में 20K to 50K range, 50K to 1 lakh range, and then 1 lakh to 5 lakh range probably. Let's do that. This is also a required tag. Once this is done, we can move to goals, and goals can be something which can be a short answer. This is also required. I think our form is done. We'll name it something like we'll just make it easy. We just type proposal template form. Fine. So this is good to go. हमने एक basic सा simple सा form बना लिया है. We'll just publish it. Anyone with the link? Yes. Responders can be anyone with the link. So once this is done, we can get back to our make. Make में आके we can add a form ID. This is basically so if अगर आपको form ID चाहिए, आप इसको hard code कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. So that is one good thing. So form ID is basically this. This is your form ID. अगर आप इस लंबे से text string को बेसिकली वो करेंगे then this is your form ID. So edit backslash के पीछे and ये दो backslashes के बीच में जितना भी है this is your form ID. So once you go here and you paste your form ID, limit can be 2, can be 1. Limit is basically कितना often ये एक साथ run कर सकते हैं. Usually there is a lot of gap between a few proposals. So let's keep it to 2 on a safer side. From now, अब से जो भी आएगा, yeah, we can choose it manually. Let's keep it for from now. So this is basically our form ready in Make. So I'll just quickly open it up. So this is our proposal form. I'll quickly fill it up in front of you. This is our template. So now what we'll do is basically we'll take data. So I'll just quickly fill up everything. Let's see. Let's say my name. I'll just add my name. Sales rep email ID is Dragun das.ai@gmail.com. Company name is AIE Vogue. Service type is probably I want service number 3. I have a budget of 52 to scale. Okay. So as soon as I submit this form, you can see that we can run this module once. Once this is done, we can see that we got a response ID. हम यहाँ पे answers आ गए. Answers में we have a company name. Company name में we have one answer that is AI evoked sales rep name. So these are all the answers that we got. Value is struggling. This is how things will work. This is the data we want. Perfect. Now what we do, we have the data, but this data is not structured. So how मेरे को कैसे करना पसंद है is usually I go in the tools, and in tools I use something known as set multiple variable. Set multiple variable का मतलब क्या है कि basically हम क्या कर सकते हैं इन्हीं डेटा का एक मल्टीपल वेरिएबल बना सकते हैं so that हम चीजों को स्ट्रीमलाइन कर पाए. How this will work is basically so this is how the answers work. Let's quickly map this. I'll show you कि इससे कैसे easy हो रहा है. Full name and variable value में instead of doing all this in full name, what we'll do is just a second. Value. Okay. So instead of mapping all this, यहाँ पे directly variables अपने आप बन जाएंगे. So this was full name. Once full name is complete, let's do it for sales rep email. Sales rep email में हमने ध्यान रखना है कि हम instead of choosing this, we want the value. जहाँ पे ये value लिखी भी आ रही है. Okay. That is one rookie mistake that people usually make. Then is company name. Company name में the same thing will happen. We want text answers, answer, and then AI vote. Perfect. Once this is done, we have full name, service type, and we want the same thing. Value 3. Next is project budget. Let's do budget. I think spelling mistake again. Project budget, and we'll choose this. Finally, the last one, which is goals. We can tap on goals to scale. Perfect. Up, what you'll see is basically choose where to start, choose manually, and what we'll do is we will choose this and we'll run it once. Okay, so the same thing happened. Now we have multiple modules. Now what we'll do is we'll add one more module and we'll map the data into our Google Doc. Same thing. We'll search for docs. यहाँ पे docs में this is a Google Docs module. यहाँ पे भी हमें ढूंढना है create a document from a template. This is important. So this creates an copy of an existing document, and what you have to do is basically add two curly brackets to create a variable. This is what we do. So यहाँ पे I'll add my account. You need to choose my drive. Document ID is, is something I need to choose. So video proposal is the document template that we want to choose. Perfect. This all these are the fields that are available in the template, right? So we'll just map it up quickly. Full name, company name was missing. Okay. Okay, no, company name is here. Service type, project budget, and goals. Sales email is something we'll use later in the flow. So we'll keep a title, proposal for, and we'll give the full name. The new location should be in my drive, and the new document location should be in my drive as well. So let's keep it in the drive. Yeah, this is the automation so far. What we'll do next is go to a Google Drive module and we'll download a file. So what this basically does is this takes the data, the file copy is added to your drive. यहाँ पे ये वो फाइल को डाउनलोड कर लेगा so that हम उसको मेल कर पाए. And the fun part is कि हम उसको जिस भी तरीके से मेल करना चाहते हैं we can do that. So अगर वो एक गूगल डॉक्यूमेंट है तो हम उसको पीडीएफ में भेज सकते हैं, उसको एमएस वर्ड में भेज सकते हैं, एचटीएमएल में भेज सकते हैं. दिस इज आर थिंग. आई थिंक देयर विल बी अ इशू हियर बिकॉज मेरे कनेक्टेड नहीं है. ओके, लेट्स स्किप इट फॉर नाउ. Okay, let's just skip it for now because I haven't connected my account. ये कोई भी नहीं चल रहा है, सब में टोकन इशू आ रहा है. Let's just skip it for now. यहाँ से ही we'll mail it. But if you guys want to learn how to download and then send, हम वो भी कर सकते हैं. That is not an issue. Let's do one thing. If we can, yeah, I'll do one thing. I'll share this to my other, and even with the link, and I'll share it to, yeah, my other email ID, editor access. I'll quickly show that to you because आप लोगों के लिए वो easy हो जाएगा समझना. So instead of this account, I'll use this account. Same thing, everything remains the same. And done. अब मैं आपको दिखा सकता हूँ. We click on download a file. We use this account. File manually. This is the document ID. File ID that we want to download. Once this is downloaded, इसको पीडीएफ में भेजना है. So इस मॉड्यूल में बेसिकली क्या हो रहा है, जो ड्राइव में डॉक्यूमेंट आया है वो फाइल जो है वो डॉक्यूमेंट आईडी जो है उससे डाउनलोड कर लेगा एंड उसका वो बना देगा पीडीएफ. Once this is done, हम अपनी ईमेल पे जा सकते हैं. We can email मॉड्यूल पे we can choose send an email. Send an email मॉड्यूल में हम अपना अकाउंट दे सकते हैं. अकाउंट में टू. Now this is where the interesting part comes in. टू, यहाँ पे हमने we gave a sales rep email. Subject में भी new proposal sent. Content type can be plain text, anything you like. Hey, hey team. Here is your proposal for. Let's map things and make this beautiful. Proposals for. Okay. Details. Full name, then company name, source type, budget, and goals. Let's do one thing. Let's. Perfect. Name. Yeah, I think there's a spelling mistake in company. Service. DGT, budget, and then goals. Perfect. Team. Yeah. Let's just leave it. Okay. Now comes the fun part. When it comes to attachments we'll choose Google Drive, just downloaded the file, and then we'll save it. Is there anything missing? Probably not. We don't want to save messages after sending. Perfect. I think the automation is complete. Let's just quickly run it and test it. Okay. So I'll submit another response. What this will be now, this will be different. Let's say this is Ishit now. Sales rep email is the same as @gmail.com. Company name is Vogue AI. This time I want service one. My budget is a little higher, and my goal is lead management. Yeah, I'll say lead scraping. Okay. जैसे ही हम ये फॉर्म को सबमिट करेंगे, दिस ऑटोमेशन इज रनिंग इन द बैकएंड. हमें ये बार बार मैनुअली प्रेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो यू सी व्हाट हैपेंस नाउ. यहाँ पे गूगल फॉर्म आया. it it takes the data, create variables, add those variables to the Google Doc. Google Doc में जब add हो गया, it downloads the file from the Google Drive and then sends it to the email. So I just quickly refresh my email क्योंकि मैंने अपनी sales निकाल दी. So you can see that I got an email. It says, "Hey team, here's your proposal for Ishit. This is the name, company name, service, lead scraping." And when you see the proposal, it says proposal for Ishit and his name evoked AI. Hi Ishit, thank you for considering service one. Your budget is this. We have a similar solution. Your goal is this. Regards. So this was our automation. This is what we created, and this is as simple as that. आप ये companies के लिए बना सकते हैं. This can add a lot of value to their systems. So this is my first video, so I would want कि आप मुझे support करें. Many such automations are coming here on this channel, like this in the future. So I would want your support as well. So it was great recording the first video. Thank you so much, guys.